Before biometric vaults guarded priceless collections. Before luxury boutiques displayed diamonds beneath brilliant lights. Before modern safes lined the walls of private homes. There was the jewelry case. Elegant, protective, timeless, a carefully crafted home for humanity's most treasured possessions. It was never simply a box. It was a promise that beauty would survive, that memories would endure, that precious things deserved extraordinary care. Its story begins thousands of years ago. As civilizations mastered the art of jewelry, they also faced a new challenge. How should such valuable creations be protected? Ancient Egypt produced elaborate wooden caskets for gold ornaments and sacred amulets. In Greece and Rome, small carved chests held rings, brooches, and precious coins. Across Asia, lacquered boxes preserved jade, pearls, and ceremonial heirlooms. The container gradually became almost as admired as its contents. During the Middle Ages, jewelry cases grew increasingly sophisticated. Royal courts commissioned finely carved chests reinforced with iron fittings. Hidden compartments protected crowns, seals, and gemstones. Locks became symbols of both security and prestige. By the Renaissance, cabinet makers transformed practical storage into decorative art. Exotic hardwoods, mother-of-pearl inlays, ivory details, and velvet-lined interiors reflected remarkable craftsmanship. Owning a beautifully crafted jewelry case demonstrated refinement long before its contents were revealed. The science behind the jewelry case begins with protection. Jewelry is surprisingly vulnerable. Gemstones scratch one another. Precious metals deform under pressure. Humidity accelerates corrosion. Silver reacts with airborne sulfur compounds. A properly designed case minimizes all of these risks. Velvet linings distribute pressure gently across delicate surfaces. Microfiber fabrics trap dust before it reaches polished metals. Individual compartments prevent pieces from colliding during transport. Specialized anti-tarnish materials absorb reactive gases before they discolor silver. Even the interior humidity can be carefully controlled in premium archival cases. Construction demands extraordinary precision. The frame must remain dimensionally stable despite seasonal changes in temperature and moisture. Solid hardwood, engineered wood, or aluminum structures provide rigidity. Precision hinges maintain perfect lid alignment over decades of use. Magnetic closures and mechanical locks secure valuable contents. Every compartment is carefully proportioned for rings, necklaces, bracelets, watches, and earrings. Manufacturing combines multiple specialized crafts. Woodworkers shape the outer shell. Leather artisans wrap premium surfaces. Metalworkers install hinges and locks. Textile specialists fit velvet interiors with meticulous accuracy. Every stage requires careful coordination, because even the smallest imperfection becomes immediately visible inside an object built to display perfection. Psychologically, the jewelry case transforms ownership into ceremony. Opening the lid slows time. Each compartment invites attention. The act of selecting a piece becomes intentional rather than hurried. Perhaps this explains why heirloom jewelry cases are often passed from one generation to the next. They preserve not only valuables, but family rituals. Modern innovation quietly enhances traditional craftsmanship. Recycled leather alternatives reduce environmental impact. Sustainably harvested timber protects forests. Three-dimensional computer modeling optimizes compartment layouts. Precision CNC machining improves consistency. Advanced anti-tarnish fabrics extend preservation without altering appearance. Yet the finest cases still depend upon skilled hands for their final assembly. Because luxury remains deeply human, today, jewelry cases accompany collectors, travelers, families, museums, and master jewelers across the world. They protect engagement rings, historic medals, royal heirlooms, precious gemstones, and everyday memories worn close to the heart. Every carefully fitted hinge reflects centuries of engineering. Every velvet-lined compartment preserves generations of textile craftsmanship. Every finished jewelry case reminds us that true value deserves thoughtful protection. Because history is not always displayed inside museums, sometimes it rests quietly inside a beautifully crafted case, waiting for the next generation to gently lift the lid.